Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use your own domain name instead of the default blogpost.com? In this video, I will show you how to connect a custom domain to your blogger site step by step. Even if you are a beginner, first of all go to blogger.com and sign into your account. From your dashboard, click on blog, then go to settings tab. Scroll down and click publish. Publishing. Enter your URL. Click custom domain to add a type your domain like www.myblog.com and click save. Log into your domain registrar like GoDaddy. Find your domain and go to DNS settings. Click domains, then DNS settings. Look for the CNAME and A record sections. Now we are going to copy the records Blogger give us and add them to your domain. Add the two CNAME records from bloggers. First CNAME name like www targetgss.google.com. Second CNAME name random string like abc123. Target another random string from Blogger. Add the 4A records to point your domain to Google servers like that 216.239.32.21. Then 34, 36, and 38. These A records make sure your domain works even without the www. Don't forget to save your changes. Go back to Blogger settings, then publishing, click save. Again on the custom domain section. If DNS is set up correctly, it will save without error. Toggle redirect domain to on. This means your site works with or without www. Sometimes DNS changes take time. It can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 48 hours to go live. Scroll to the HTTPS section in Blogger settings. Turn on HTTPS availability and HTTPS redirect. This keeps your site secure and helps with SEO. And that's how you add a custom domain to your blog. Now your blog looks professional, trusted, and ready to grow. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.